Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and today's video is going to be so much fun because it is another Thredup rescue box unboxing. But for the very first time, I got their shoe box. Have you guys ever got it? I had a reselling friend say, I don't buy those women's boxes, I only buy the shoes. And I'm like, I've never bought the shoes. So I got my hands on one. They're not always up on the site, so you have to just be there at the right time. This box came from Georgia. I'm telling you that because I've heard some rumblings that some people think you get better boxes depending on what location they come from. So if you have tips about that, be sure to leave it in the comments. I'm gonna open this mystery shoe box. I'll pop up on the screen all the details about this box. I believe it's $90 for 20 pairs or something. I'll check the invoice when I open it up. Yes, I'm using my herb scissors to open the box. Now, I buy these boxes because I am hoping that there's some things in the boxes that are for me that I will love, or for someone in my family, but also because I like to resell them on eBay and Poshmark. I'm a part-time reseller. It's a part-time gig for me, but I really love it, and I share all about it on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed so you know when another unboxing video comes out, or a thrift haul, or something fun like that. Now let's get into this box. I get so excited. It's a total mystery box. I've got to pull these out first because I'm just like, look at this. This is so fun. This is by the brand Coconuts. I'm really not familiar with that brand. If anyone is, I could use your help. This is like a platform cork shoe. I love the faux snake print here. I'm not sure if this is genuine leather or what. I don't see markings, and the shoes are all kind of thrown in, so it's definitely an adventure in here. These look to be in pretty great shape. I do see some, these need to be cleaned up. Now, I need to be honest with you. One of my hesitations and the reasons I have not bought the shoebox is that I'm not the best when it comes to cleaning up DIY stuff. I do have a video I put out on how I clean shoes really easily at home, leather or suede. I've got those on the channel. But sometimes shoes will sit for me. Not because I don't love shoes, but because I don't love the extra work as a reseller that shoes sometimes require. So I'm gonna need your help. I need like one of these reseller accountability groups or something. But what is this? Oh my gosh, I have to admit, this is so fun. I absolutely love a mystery box. I have an entire mystery box playlist here up on the channel from Jomar Wholesale, from Thredup, from ShopGoodwill, from Goodwill Blue Box. I love mystery boxes. These feel like the softest leather, and it's kind of like perforated here, and the tag is covered up. They're made in Italy. See how it says Vario Cuccio down there? Rebels or something? What are these? They feel really high quality. Rebecca Minkoff. These are Rebecca Minkoff. That's a really high-end brand, you guys. These look tiny. 8 medium. They look small. I'm an 8. What is a style name for this, guys? They're sort of a taupe or like a blush pink. Rebecca Minkoff in my first shoebox. I'm not going to complain. I love you, Thredup. Now, I do get some boxes that are better than others. I share it all with you guys. I do very honest Thredup rescue box review. Some of my boxes are fantastic, blow my mind. And here we go, little visitor in the video. I better hustle along, you guys, because I have my live at 5, which I do on the channel every Friday, and I'm not ready. These are Nike. I don't know a ton about the different Nike, but a white shoe that is very lightweight, and they have some cool, like, animal print, maybe, details. I wish these were my size because I love these for walking. They're a 7. And there is like, I think on these, there's information on these tags. Maybe I can find a style number. Now these are white, so they've got a little bit of dinginess here. So, I mean, I use those magic erasers. Things that I use are linked down in my description, and I only share things with you that I've already vetted, that I know I like. And that I really am passing on to you because I use them and I believe in them. These are in really great shape. Just a little cleanup on those. This is so fun. I haven't got the shoebox before, so I'm delighted. Okay, they're not all together. What is this? I've never seen anything like this. It's a woven shoe, but it's like all plastic. I've sold shoes and there's a lot of money in shoes, so I do not know what this says. It's Cjacobson. If I find anything out about any of these shoes, I might pop stuff up on the screen, but also leave in the comments any information that you might have, because it really does help people. I get so much help in these videos. I just did another Thredup women's box, and there was a dress in there by the name Romy Brooke. I'd never heard of it. I didn't know it was anything special. And then several of you in the comments said, Quemby, those retail for hundreds of dollars. Look them up. So I did, and it was a good item. So thank you, friends, for that. These are size 36, which is Euro sizing, so that's a good sign. They have they definitely need cleanup, but the inside is pretty clean, and I don't see any major flaws. And I bet you these are so comfortable. So let me know if you know anything about those. Oh, I hope these are what I think they are. You guys, these are Chocos. Do you know how expensive Chocos are? These are like $100 to $150 at REI. I am going to be looking for flaws, because why didn't these things sell on Thredup? Why did they end up in a DIY box? It might be because Thredup's not going to put something that's like not cleaned up on their site. They're just not. It needs to look good when they photograph it. I've been looking for a pair of these for myself. Please be my size. Shoot, they're a 9. So Chocos puts it on the end here. These look to be in amazing condition, and they have that toe thong, which I love personally. These, like, look how clean the sole is, you guys. I've sold these before in like the $50 range pre-owned on eBay. I am really impressed. I'm really impressed. I'm like in awe. Okay, so these are Avas 9.5 memory foam sneaker. At just kind of a pretty soft gray with whatever this thing is. Wow, these are like, there's some shoe technology happening for these. I don't know much about these. It looks like they don't have laces, or could that be that they didn't come with laces? I don't know. They're pretty clean. Again, I have to just take soap and water and clean up the tread on all of these. These cannot be what I think they are. These cannot be what I think they are. I think they are. I think I got a pair of Tory Burch flats in my Thredup rescue box. Like, and these often I see people, so they do have, I see people getting these and they need a lot of work. So these on the toe do have a little bit, and it's tricky when it's a color like this, like green, because you can't just touch it up with your shoe polish. But look how clean these are. And I will have to do a little work around authentication. I'm sure these are a shoe that's fake, but they feel like super soft, gorgeous leather, you guys. What size are these? Someone's gonna want these. Does anyone know where the size is on these? Every shoe is a little different that way, so I don't see a size on these, but I'm gonna guess they're about an 8. The tread looks pretty good. They look clean. These slip-on ballet flats with the Tory Burch, what is this here? The logo is what they're known for.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Hit it. Punch it.
What is this? What is this coming at you? What is this about? This has like, it's a sneaker with a very fuzzy, sexy feather. Steve Madden, super cute, right? A little sneaker like that. My mom would probably love these. Mom, 8.5, the Emily. My mom might love these. She has the best sense of style, and she needs sneakers because she walks a lot, but she won't wear anything ugly. And again, these have a little bit of dirt and stuff here. If you get those magic eraser wipes, You just wipe that, you guys, right off. Look at this. Look at the bottoms of those. Those are really great. I love this box. These are Sperry topsiders. And these are like a thong sandal. I list things all year round. I don't care about seasonality. I mean, of course, right now, I'm filming this in November 2020. I want to get sweaters, jackets, stuff listed, of course. But I have no problem listing out of season. Maybe somebody, I was going to say go on vacation, but maybe not with COVID. If a shoe does not have a size, it is a little bit harder to sell, but I'll measure it. I'll do whatever. Sometimes I'll look for the size chart online. Ooh, these are cute. This box is awesome. I'm going to get these listed. These are Sam Edelman. Sam Edelman. And it's kind of like a slip-on mule, but with a heel. And it's in a black suede. Really pretty. These feel nice. These are a US size 7. Super, super cute. This box is great. I love you, Thredup. I appreciate you. Okay, Big Buddha. I don't think that these are anything. I like this style. It's a black espadrille. When it has this kind of roping here, it's an espadrille, but it's kind of with a platform. So it's a little bit of a different take on the espadrille there. Big Buddha. I have a feeling this is not an expensive shoe. Size 8, but super cute. Where's the other one? Yep, guys, because I have my live show. This box has been sitting here and I wanted to open it and I was like, I'll do it now. These are really clean. My mom would want these too. I know she would, but she shouldn't be wearing something this high, Mom. Mom, you don't want to wear something this high. You walk around too much, but they're super adorable. Another pair of comfort shoes. These are Skechers. These are a women's size 8 and they're in like a gray and blue. The tread looks good. They look clean inside. These will photograph well. And I have a suede kit. I always recommend it. It's by UGG. It's like $20. And these are suede. And you can't clean suede just like you would fabric or leather. So I always recommend that cleaner. It's inexpensive. It works really well. It also has like a suede brush and eraser in it because these look really good, but they might just need a little bit of a touch up. So happy with those. Oh my gosh. Now this is my favorite brand, one of my favorite brands for shoes. I'm 44, guys. I've gotten to the place where, yes, I want to look stylish. I love fashion, but I have to be comfortable too. I'm not going to suffer in uncomfortable shoes for very long. So there are a few brands I buy. My favorite is Earth. It's just EARTH. It's not like Earth Market or Earth Origins, just Earth. They're very expensive, but they're comfortable and stylish. And this is my other favorite brand, Born. BORN, because they are comfortable and stylish. Look at this, a tall booty. Perfect for the season, black leather heel. Now I'm noticing here, this happens a lot on this kind of stacked heel. There is some chipping there. So what I'd probably do is just take a black Sharpie and maybe color that in, see if I can doctor it up. They're very soft. And I love a tall boot like this. I just sold a pair for 40 bucks, size 8.39, my size. What do you think will happen with these girls? I don't have anywhere to wear shoes right now. Do you guys? I mean, where is there to wear shoes? Now this one, its sister shoe, looks great. I mean, the tread looks good. The heel looks pretty good. When I list these on eBay or Poshmark, I do measure across the calf here at the widest point because do you guys get a lot of questions about that? I often do, where someone will say, I love these, I love tall boots, but I have larger muscular calves and I need something that fits. So I add that measurement. I measure everything. Can you believe those Tory Burch? And these are BCBG. Oh, this is a sexy, gorgeous shoe. I wish I could wear this. Very tall stiletto heel in like a brown suede with an ankle kind of strap. So attractive, I think. Really great shape on these. These look new. They still have the sticker on the bottom that says 8.39. So these, oh, this one's got a little blemish though, right there. I'm not sure what that is, but I'll use my suede brush on it. God, is that a sexy, gorgeous shoe, isn't it? I mean, I can wear a platform or a wedge. I can't do that anymore. Here is going to be a pair of boots. Ooh, these are nice. These are Sperry. And they're like, what's that called, you guys? There's probably a keyword where it's rubber here. So they're like a rain boot, kind of. These are gorgeous. These are in gorgeous condition. Oh no, I spoke too soon. There's a little bit of like the rubber there on the tread is starting to go. But otherwise, gosh, look at, I mean, they have a little wear to the heel. So they were worn, but they're very clean. I use these to photograph. They put them in here. I put them in my tall boots for photographing. Do you guys do that? Women's size 8 waterproof rubber boot. I mean, these are in really great condition. They just have this like, probably got a little too worn there. So I'll just note it and sell it anyway. What do you think? Not bad for my first shoebox from Thredup, right? I'm super happy with it. Yeah, what do you guys think? I'd love to hear from you. Have you got the shoebox? What's your experience selling shoes? Are you like me? Do you get stuck around having to clean them, or do you just like do it? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like on the way out. Bye, friends.